office hours are basically when the teachers are gonna be around, so that means you could join the Google Meet meeting, use that link, and then you could just video chat with them and stuff. And if you have any questions, you could ask them. And how you could get on Google Meets, you have to click on the link, and, and, and you might be on the wrong account, and check your account, because it might be the wrong account, and you might be on a different account. So just check that, and then there's gonna be something that pops up that says, but before you could join the meeting, you could also check your camera or your microphone if you want to turn it on or off. And then when you want to join the meeting, all you have to do is just click join now right here. And so, bye.